Citroën has launched the much-awaited C5 Aircross SUV in the Indian market. The Citroën C5 Aircross retails at an introductory starting price of Rs 29.90 lakh ex-showroom India. The C5 Aircross is the French automaker's first product in India that will be placed in the premium mid-size SUV segment. The Citroën C5 Aircross is offered in two variants, Feel and Shine. The top spec Shine variant retails at Rs 31.90 lakh ex-showroom India. The SUV is offered in 7 color options: Cumulus Grey with black roof, Pearl White with black roof, Pearl White, Tejuka Blue, Cumulus Grey, Perla Nera Black and Tejuka Blue with black roof. The SUV is sold in India as a CKD unit. The company began accepting pre-launch bookings for the C5 Aircross SUV last month for a token amount of Rs 50,000. The deliveries of the premium mid-size SUV will begin shortly across the country. The company has also announced a leasing or subscription service of the C5 Aircross starting at Rs 49,999. At the end of the tenure, customers can upgrade for a new model or buy the SUV altogether. They can also choose to return the vehicle. The Citroën C5 Aircross will be powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine. It produces a maximum of 175 bhp and a peak torque of 400 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to an 8-speed torque converter automatic. The dimensions of the C5 Aircross measures 4500 mm in length, 2099 mm in width, 1710 mm in height, along with a wheelbase of 2730 with all seats up. The SUV features a massive boot space of 580 liters. The exterior of the SUV features a split headlamp setup with a thin body strip separating units at either end. The upper part of the grille is flanked on either side by the DRLs and also function as turn indicators at the front. At the rear of the SUV, it features split wraparound tail lamps, an integrated roof spoiler, a large Citroën badge placed on the middle of the boot lid, and a blacked out bumper with non-functional twin exhaust vents. It also features 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels and all-around body cladding. It features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument console, dual-zone climate control and a flat-bottom steering wheel with mounted controls among others. Citroën has finally begun its retail operations in India by launching its first production, the C5 Aircross. The C5 Aircross offers a plush ride, a practical cabin and comes packed with features to suit buyers in the segment. The C5 Aircross rivals the Jeep Compass, the Hyundai Tucson, and the upcoming Volkswagen Tiguan in the Indian market. Triumph Motorcycles India has launched the much-awaited Trident 660 motorcycle in the country. The Trident 660 street-naked motorcycle retails at introductory pricing of Rs 6.95 lakh ex-showroom India. The company has also announced a low EMI scheme of Rs 9,999 for the new motorcycle. The company has received over 125 bookings for the motorcycle in India. Bookings for the new motorcycle are being accepted for a token amount of Rs 50,000. The deliveries of the Trident 660 will begin by the end of April. The street naked motorcycle is offered in 4 color options: crystal white, sapphire black, matte jet black, and silver ice and Diablo red. The Triumph Trident 660 is powered by liquid-cooled inline 3-cylinder 660cc engine. It produces a maximum of 80 bhp at 10,250 rpm and a peak torque of 64 Nm at 6,250 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox along with a slip assist clutch as standard. The Trident 660 features a street-naked look with a contoured fuel tank, round-shaped LED headlamps, an underbelly exhaust, a single-seat design, a single-piece handlebar that aids to the upright riding position. However, the foot pegs are rare set. The motorcycle comes with a whole host of electronic rider aids. This includes ride-by-wire throttle, switchable traction control, 2 riding modes, road and rain, and dual-channel ABS. The motorcycle is offered with an optional bi-directional quick shift from the company called the Triumph Shift Assist. Staying in tune with the current trend of connected technology, the company is also offering My Triumph connectivity system. All features of the connected technology can be controlled with the switch gear cube and a TFT display. This includes navigation, call, SMS alerts, and more. The motorcycle uses a perimeter frame and double-sided swing arm. Suspension duties on the motorcycle are handled by Showa. The Trident 660 features 17-inch alloy wheels at either end shod with performance tires. The motorcycle features a 14-liter fuel tank and tips the scale at 189 kgs curb. Triumph is offering over 45 different performance, cosmetic and functional accessories for the Trident 660. This includes colored fly screen, bar and mirrors, aluminium belly pan, front axle protectors, engine cover protection, tank pad and a USB charger among others. The Triumph Trident 660 will be the brand's entry-level offering in the Indian market. The motorcycle is packed with a host of features and electronic rider aids over its segment segment rivals. Customers also have the option to personalize their motorcycle with a host of accessories offered by the company. The Yamaha MT-15's prices have been hiked. Yamaha Motor India has increased prices of the MT-15 Naked Street Fighter in the Indian market. Prices of the Yamaha MT-15 have been hiked by Rs 1000 across all color variants. The Yamaha MT-15 is one of the most unique motorcycles on sale in the Indian market. It is the only naked motorcycle in the 150cc segment to feature liquid cooling. It is also the most powerful naked motorcycle in its segment. Adding to this is the fact that the Yamaha MT-15 stands out in terms of the extravagant yet simplistic design and styling. The Yamaha MT-15 is available in just one variant and 4 colors, and the prices differ based on the color opted for the buyer. Yamaha MT-15 is available in just one variant and 4 colors, and the prices differ based on the color opted for by the buyer. Yamaha has now announced a price hike of Rs 1000 across for all 4 colors of the MT-15. The new ex-showroom prices of the motorcycle range is between Rs 1.41 lakh and Rs 1.45 lakh. The dark matte blue and metallic black shades are priced at Rs 1,40,900. The ice fluo vermilion color option is priced at Rs 1,41,900, and the customized option costs Rs 1,44,900. Yamaha hasn't updated the motorcycle's design and styling or performance. The Yamaha MT-15 still comes with the same unique LED projector headlamp up front flanked by LED DRLs. The tank panels and radiators extensions lend it a muscular stance. The rear end is a simple affair. The Yamaha MT-15 is powered by a liquid-cooled 155cc single-cylinder engine with a maximum power output of 18.4 bhp and a peak torque output of 14.1 Nm. A 6-speed gearbox drives the rear wheel via an assist and slipper clutch. Braking is taken care of by disc brakes at both ends, governed by a single-channel ABS. Suspension duties are handled by a telescopic fork up front and a monoshock at the rear. Do let us know in the comment section about this price hike for the Yamaha MT-15. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel, Indian Drives.